Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. These will be the supplies you'll be needing. First, you're going to be taking a very light off-white color. To achieve this, I used flesh color and white and mix those together, and it comes out as a color like this. So now you're going to create a triangle shape like this. About this big. Then, taking flesh colored, stretch this out so it's even and it's pretty long. Make sure one side is nicely cut, and then just simply place it around the whole entire outer edge of the white. Now cut off the excess like so. When you're finished with that, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you have your bread done, take two paintbrush ends and then go and squeeze it into the sides like this so there are little dents, and then just go over the sides just so you get it exactly like you want it. So there we have the indentations on the side. Now what you do is you go up onto the top and kind of bring them down. Just like that. Now, some of this is a little thicker than others, so just kind of trim that down. And you now have your bread. Now what we are going to do is cut our bread in half. So just slice it right down the middle. And take it apart. You have something like this now. Now you might need to go over the lines one more time just to bring them out better. But otherwise, they should look like this. Since we are making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I am going to take, again, a mixing sheet, and I'm going to put some liquid Sculpey. Now for the jelly, we're going to take our purple color, and then we're going to also take a chunk of purple and mix it in. As soon as I have this mixed in, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that I have my jelly mixed in, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, or you could use a brush, and just smother it all over one piece of my bread. Now, it's probably going to be chunky, but if you've ever noticed jelly, it does have little bits of harder substance in them, so that doesn't really matter. It just make it a little more lifelike. So just move that all on there, just like that. Set that bread aside. Now, what you're going to do is, again, taking your liquid Sculpey, squirt some out, and you're going to take some of just a tiny amount, and you're just going to apply that in, and then you're going to take some brown chalk pastels, and you're gonna mix it along with a shaving of orange. So as soon as I get this mixed up, now that I have my peanut butter mixed up, I'm gonna take my second piece of bread, and I'm just going to coat it with my artificial peanut butter. It doesn't matter if it gets on the sides, because our goal is for it to become like real peanut butter and jelly and spill out of the sides so you can actually see the paste. Okay, now that I have both of my pieces of bread with the mixtures, I'm going to take the peanut butter bread piece, and I am just going to line it up with the jelly piece and just stick it on. Now I'm going to, should look like this. You can see the jelly and peanut butter coming out of the sides. We aren't done yet though. What you're now going to do is take a kind of a toothbrush or a hard paintbrush, and just to give it a real texture of bread, we are going to just go over it. Now your hands may be getting sticky, so just wipe those off and just get it all, do it to the front and to the back. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, and please watch some of my others. Thank you.